Industrial lasers are requiring increasingly higher pressures and flow rates. The lasers require a minimum supply pressure at the inlet to the laser itself. It is necessary to have not only the adequate pressure, but it also must be available under flowing, dynamic conditions. There are many nitrogen supply systems available with high pressure nitrogen supply capability. But for all of them, the two most important parameters are the initial supply pressure and the flow capacity of the system. The initial pressure is just that. It is the pressure at the start of the house line piping. The flow capacity is the ability of the system to provide the required process flow rate. As the nitrogen flows to the laser and progresses through the house line piping, across valves, elbows, there's an associated pressure drop. The amount of the pressure drop is related to the pipe length, pipe cross-section, and valve size. If any part of the house line is inadequately sized, there will be an excessive pressure drop which could result in insufficient pressure at the laser. So, the house line needs to be designed with adequately sized components to minimize the amount of pressure drop on the house line to the laser. The pressure drop across a house line can be modeled using engineering programs. Alternatively, the actual pressure can be measured by installing or placing pressure gauges along the length of the house line. The actual pressure drop measurement must be done with a full flow of nitrogen to the laser. The importance of pipe size on pressure drop is shown in this table. You can see the pressure drop for 3 different sized pipes at flow rates from 1,000 cubic feet an hour to 6,000 cubic feet an hour. The nitrogen has an initial pressure of 450 psig and a pipe length of 250 feet. The pressure drop of a half-inch pipe with a flow rate of 6,000 cubic feet an hour of nitrogen is 40.44 psi. This means that the pressure at the end of the 250-foot pipe length will be 450 minus 40.44, or about 409 psig. If instead the house line was 1.5 inch, the pressure drop would only be 0.207 psi, with a resultant downstream pressure of just under 450 pounds. Please contact Air Products for assistance in specifying the right nitrogen supply system for your laser operation.